Good morning. Today now we are starting with the examples on determinant. First example is this. Whatever the properties we have done in the previous lecture, previous video, we are going to use them and we are going to solve we are going to find the value of determinant. So till now we have calculated determinant by corresponding row or column. With respect to row we have opened it, or with respect to column we have opened it. Now they say use property and you evaluate the value of determinant. First determinant is this and I want the value of this to be calculated. So we are just going on operations and the properties what we have. Now, whenever this type of question comes, in this one thing is clear that this column is a column with the biggest numbers, that is 41, 79, 29. First, I want to reduce this number. And how much we can reduce? We can reduce it by making 8 times of it minus from here. 8 5s are 40. If you subtract it from here, 9 8 72, subtract from here, 3 into that way. So that means we will say on first operation column 1. What that is? Column 1 minus 8 times of column 3. When you do this, it will come 441 minus 8 times of this, that is 40. Then here it comes 79 minus 9 8 72. Then it comes 29 minus 8 3s are 24. Here it comes 1, 7 and 5. Then it is 5, 9 and 3. Now when you solve it, it will come out to be 1. This will be 7. This will be 5. 1, 7, 5. 5, 9, 3. What you find here? In this determinant now, two columns are identical. And if the two columns are identical, the value of determinant is to be 0. So what I have done first, we have reduced this number by applying operation on column C1 as C1 minus 8 times of C3 maximum possible, which will be nearer to 41. So we have taken that, and then when we subtracted, we got this result showing that two columns are identical and we got the result. Second question here. It is given 1 1 1 A B C B plus C plus A plus B. In this again we want to solve this. We have to find out this value. What I do here in this case, this is the column visible to you as B plus C. If I add here A plus B plus C, it becomes, here also it is A plus B plus C, it is also A plus B plus C. So what I do here, column 3 I go. Column 3 plus column 2. When you do this, first column remain unchanged, second column remain unchanged because you are operating on column 3. On column 3 we are adding column 2. So I get it B plus C plus A, C plus A plus B, and then A plus B plus C. Now in this column every term is A plus B plus C. Can you take that common? Yes, we can take that common. So A plus B plus C will be common here. Left is 1, 1, 1. This is A, B, C. And when A plus B plus C gone out, so it is left 1, 1, 1. And when you got this, again two columns are identical, so result come out to be 0. So this can be done, this can be done. Now coming on next question, third question of this kind. A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, B minus C, C minus A minus B, then C minus A minus B, B minus C. Now my question is, you have to evaluate this using properties. Now in this case, one thing we can do, that in column 1, if I add column 2, then when you add it, B get cancelled out, it will come A minus C and this is C minus A. Another is B minus C and C, so C again cancel out, B minus A. So all these terms are coming same except the minus sign. We can do that. What it is? Column 1 plus column 2. When you do this, A minus B plus B minus C, B minus C plus C minus A, C minus A plus A minus B. And here it comes B minus C, C minus A minus B, C minus A minus B, and then B minus C. Then B get cancel out, C get cancel out, A get cancel out. What left now? A minus C, B minus A, C minus B, B minus C, C minus A minus B, C minus A minus B, B minus C. This and this are nearly same except the minus is the difference. So I'll take minus 1 common from this first column. So I'll take minus 1 out. When you do this, it will be C minus A, it will be A minus B, it is B minus C, B minus C, C minus A minus B, then C minus A minus B, B minus C. Are they same? Yes, again the result is coming 0. So this way we can have certain questions. Now coming question number 4. In question number 4, we have this result 1 1 1 BCCA AB. And here it is A times B plus C, B times C plus A, C times A plus B. Now question is you find out what is the determinant value here. Again, now when you solve it, first thing, slight simplification we do, BC, CA, AB. This will be AB plus AC. This will be BC plus AB. This is CA plus AB. BC, sorry. Now check. AB, this is BC plus AC. Again here it is AB, BC, AC. Then AC, BC and AB. So that means if you add this here, this term again become identical. So we operate on C3. C3 plus C2. When you do this, it will be 1 1 1. This will be BC, CA and it is AB. Here it comes AB plus BC plus CA. Here also AB plus BC plus CA. AB plus BC plus CA. And now this part is still common. I go for it. AB plus BC plus CA common. Left is 1 1 1. BC, CA, AB 1 1 1. And again two columns are identical, so we put it 0. So this way we have few questions. When you try, you will get more easier. You will find these questions. Now coming on one more question I am taking. Sine alpha, cos alpha, sine alpha plus delta. Then it is cos sine beta, cos beta, then it is sine beta plus delta, and then sine gamma, cos gamma, and then sine gamma plus delta. You should find out the value of this. Now if you want the value of this, first thing is this formula we should open. Then you will get some hint from here. That is sine alpha remain as it is, cos alpha, then it is sine alpha cos delta plus cos alpha sine delta. Same way here it is sine beta cos beta, it comes sine beta cos delta plus cos beta sine delta. Same way if I go for sine gamma cos gamma, then it comes sine gamma cos delta plus cos gamma sine delta. Now here I told one property that if any one row or any one column is coming equal to the sum of the two, then this determinant can split in two parts. What that will be? One is sine alpha, cos alpha, sine alpha, cos delta, then it comes sine beta, cos beta, then it comes sine beta, cos delta, then comes sine gamma, cos gamma, and then it is sine gamma, cos delta. Plus, what about the second? It comes sine alpha, cos alpha, here it comes cos alpha, sine delta. Then comes sine beta, cos beta, then it will be cos beta, sine delta. Then comes out to be sine gamma, cos gamma, then it comes cos gamma, sine delta. Okay, this is the property I told, and this property now will decide your question very fast. Just check here. In this one, if I take cos delta common, then this and this will become identical. So in first I take cos delta common. Left is sine alpha, cos alpha, then sine alpha. Same way sine beta, cos beta, and then sine beta. And then sine gamma, cos gamma, and then sine gamma. Plus, in the second case, sine delta is again common. Then it comes out to be sine alpha, cos alpha 1. Then comes sine beta, cos beta 1. And then sine gamma, cos gamma, and 1. Something wrong? 1 nahi hoga. It will be cos alpha, cos beta, and then cos gamma. Now these two are identical, these two are identical. So it will be 0 into cos alpha, it will be 0 into this. So final answer is coming 0. So this will be the first type of question you can do easily, not a very difficult questions. You can solve it. So few questions when you do, you will get a confidence and you know how to solve it. In next video, we'll take more questions.